global crises have forced us into one same boat. We have no other choice but to row in the same direction, correct direction. We are faced with common challenges. We must take up our share of responsibilities.
Asia presents numerous opportunities for collaboration and growth, particularly in sustainable development, digital innovation, and cultural exchange. This impressive ascent of Asia is a true testament to the region's remarkable resilience, boundless ingenuity, and unyielding dynamism.
We must strive for peace and development without conflict. We should reaffirm our dedication to building bridges of understanding, fostering empathy and promoting reconciliation. Together, let us work towards a world where every individual can live in dignity, harmony, and prosperity, leaving a legacy of peace for future generations to inherit. By prioritizing conflict resolution, we pave the way for prosperity, resilience, and shared prosperity for generations to come. We fully support President Xi Jinping's vision of a world without conflict and his dedication to promoting the development of humankind. Nauru stands firmly to the basic human rights of peace, prosperity, and development.